Díogwit agus fáilte arás. In this video we're going to look at the Irish for some of the various professions and jobs. So let's go down through them now. Fáilteoir is a receptionist. Fáilteoir. Freastalí is a waiter. Freastalí. Pialóta is a pilot. Pialóta. Ultra is a nurse. Ultra. Cúntasóir is an accountant. Cúntasóir. Mecnior is a mechanic. Mecnior. Irisóir is a journalist. Irisóir. Rooney is a secretary. Rooney. Fáilí Liani is a childminder. Fáilí Liani. Ceantálaí is an auctioneer. Ceantálaí. Síochálaí is a psychologist. Síochálaí. Lectror is an electrician. Lectror. Máinlia is a surgeon. Máinlia. Siúnair is a carpenter. Siúnair. Tógalí is a builder. Tógalí. Tománaí is a driver. Tománaí. Ibrí Ifige is an office worker. Ibrí Ifige. Cócara is a chef. Cócara. Saidúr is a soldier. Saidúr. Deliador is a solicitor. Deliador. So let's go through those again. Fáilteoir, freastalí, pialóta, ultra, cúntasóir, mecnior, irisóir, Rooney, Fáilí Liani, ceantálaí, síochálaí, lectror, máinlia, siúnair, tógalí, tománaí, Ibrí Ifige, cócara, saidúr, deliador. Let's see if you can remember them now. So I'm going to play the pictures again without any words or subtitles, and let's see if you can remember each of these jobs and professions. So here we go. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section some of the other jobs and professions that I haven't quite got around to in this video. Gurb míle mágad agus slán go fóill.